In the magical land of Hogwarts, a new student arrived at the gates. With a sneer and a swagger, Lucius Malfoy stepped through the gates. The other students watched in awe as he strode down the hall. With a silver wand in his hand and a sly smirk on his call. "He's a Slytherin, a noble house," the professors would say. But in truth, Lucius was lost and he didn't know the way. One day, in the library, he stumbled upon a book about a creature, rare and magical, a basilisk he would look. With shadows creeping through the halls, and the whispers growing loud. Lucius found himself in danger, with fear he felt a deep dread. But then, a voice so kind, like a gentle summer breeze, came from behind him, and Lucius looked with startled eyes to see. "Hello, Lucius Malfoy," said Hermione Granger, her eyes bright with cheer. "I've heard of your arrival, and I'm here to help, have no fear." Together, they embarked on a quest to find the creature so rare. And with each step they took, Lucius began to care. For Hermione showed him kindness, and a friendship he'd never known. And through their journey, Lucius learned that there's more to life than just his own. In the end, they found the basilisk, and Lucius faced his fear. But with Hermione by his side, he stood strong, without a smirk or sneer. The two new friends returned to Hogwarts, their adventure far from over. But with a newfound understanding, Lucius' heart forever changed by this teacher. So remember, Lucius Malfoy, that kindness can change you. And true friendship is the best thing that anyone can do. In the halls of Hogwarts, a friendship blossomed bright. Between the Slytherin and Gryffindor, on this starry enchanted night.